We're here in Eastvale today to show you this beautiful single-story home at 6472 Marigold Street.
Let's go inside and take a look.
Located in a prime Eastvale neighborhood, this home shows off from front to back, beginning with a 3-car garage, mature shade tree, and a covered porch. This turnkey home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a powder room in just under 2,400 square feet. French doors and a custom desk in the den are perfect for work and school at home. New luxury vinyl plank flooring, wide baseboards, and fresh paint are found throughout the main living spaces. Crown molding and shutters add upgraded finishing touches. In the kitchen, you'll find stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and a walk-in pantry. And the chef will love easy access to pots and pans with roll-out drawers in all lower cabinets. All bathrooms have been remodeled with porcelain tile flooring, plus new cabinet doors and fixtures. The master bathroom has a deep Kohler soaking tub and seamless glass shower doors. Backyard living is so enjoyable with low maintenance features, an aluminum patio cover with carriage lights and ceiling fans, artificial turf, and drip irrigation. Fresh fruit is in abundance with lemon, orange, peach, and plum trees. You'll find mature strawberries and raspberries too. And after a long day, what better way to relax than a soak in the spa? Eastvale offers top-rated schools like Eleanor Roosevelt High School and Harada Elementary School, local parks, and plenty of dining, entertaining, and shopping. Commuters have easy access to the I-15, 60, 10, and 91 freeways. This home is immaculate, giving you the perfect opportunity to move right in.
If you'd like more information about this beautiful home or to schedule a private showing, give us a call today at 951-660-5926.